sunshine. I've been
So I'm going to dye my hair this color, honey blonde. I got bored. So this is by Dark and Lovely, fade resistant. And it's for up to 8 weeks, rich conditioning color, true to tone color, and brilliant shine. Extra nourishing conditioner with shea and avocado and olive. So this is number 378. Soft Sheen Carson. So this is not my first time using this color. I have always used Dark and Lovely's dye products because I find that their dyes have a stronger effect and they have a wider array of hair dyes as far as colors. There was another one I used to use by them, Dark and Lovely as well. It was like the red ruby. I think it was called Ruby Mist or something like that. Yeah, but it was a beautiful red, and it would sparkle in the sunlight and stuff, and everybody will compliment me. So we're gonna see how Honey Blonde by Dark and Lovely comes out on this hair. Okay, so we'll see. So this is how my hair is looking. It's greasy on top from when I had straightened it a few days ago, and it is dry, very dry. I hear it when I touch it. It sounds like hay. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections. I always start from the back, and then I work my way to the front. Okay, so I open the box and it comes with instructions and gloves. As you can see, I put one on. And it comes with the cream developer. Okay. 2.38 ounces. And then it comes with the fade resistant rich conditioning hair color. This is the colorant. This is what you would put in the cream developer. And it comes with a moisture rich conditioner with nourishing fruit oil, shea, avocado, olive. This is for when you're rinsing that out of your hair. You apply this, leave it on, it looks like a mask. Okay, I know this is basic, but sometimes, you know, when you're learning or it's the first time you're doing something, some reassurance is helpful. So cream developer, the colorant, okay, says in there. You pour that in there, mix it up, and this is to protect the hair from, because, you know, as much as they say that something is good for your hair, you know that this is not natural, so there will be some damage to your hair, especially with lighter colors like this, where you're forcing it to, you know, you're probably stripping it of hair color. So after I read the instructions, of course, and all that, if you want to, but I've been doing this for years already by myself, and at first you'll get some disappointments, but then you get the hang of it. It's just hair dye, it's just hair. So I use this to cover so I don't get any dye, especially if it's like a red or a black. And this is 2 sheets, you know, and you could cover wherever it is that you're dyeing your hair. And I use this to catch the dye so I don't stain my countertops or wherever I'm sitting, my table, whatnot. And in this case, it's the sink, my bathroom sink. So I'm done sitting it here. I'm gonna leave this on for about another 20 minutes. Okay. And I do put the remaining on my eyebrows if they're too dark for the hair color. I want it to look even. So, and I do have the different color shades of eyebrow pencil that I can, you know, easily fill them in with the right color. So I'm like maybe 5 minutes into my eyebrows dye, and I think I'm ready to wipe it off. I don't want it to be too light. And I'm going to apply a mask. So I'm going to apply this one, the purifying one, charcoal, volcanic ash, and kaolin clay metallic wash off mask. Okay, so this is a 15-minute mask. I will have this on during the duration of my hair dye, which is in another maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be right back. I'm finished with the mask, applying it, and I did put a little bit over on my eyelid because it gets neglected, so I'm gonna put a little bit there. Just don't get it in your eye and you'll be fine. So this is the metallic. It's a thin layer. You apply it, you leave it on for 15 minutes. This still has about 15 minutes to go, so I'm gonna get in the shower afterwards. So it just makes sense to just, you know, do this all together and then get in the shower. And I'll see you guys later. With the final results, I'm gonna dry it, flat iron it, you know. I might do a very light makeup tutorial. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, you guys, so I'm back out the shower and my hair's still wet, and I left actually longer than 10 minutes. This is the hair dye again that I used from Dark and Lovely. I have used it before, but my hair wasn't dyed dark like the chocolate brown I had put in prior to this hair color. So it's not really gonna take on top of another dark dye. So I've noticed more of the light coloring at my root. I also want to apply certain things to my face first. So as I showed you earlier, I did do the mask. So I'm going to add a few things to it, to the routine. So I'm going to use this, which I've showed you guys in my past videos. So it's just a few drops, but honestly, I'm very generous with it, so I lather it on. 24 karat gold, collagen infused anti-aging serum. I'm all about the anti-aging now. I'm in my mid-30s, 35 years old. This year I'll be 36 in November, so I still got a ways to go, but time has been flying, and it sure do once you hit a certain age. The years start going like this. Everybody wants to grow up until you're over 30. After this dries on my face, I'm going to put on the Medix 55 Collagen and Caviar Age Control Moisturizer. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to do the Medix Collagen and Caviar. Medix 55, so I put this much. I'll rub it on my hands. So by rubbing my eyelids and my eyebrows and everything. It smells amazing. So I finished half of my hair using my new my chai air, whatever, flat iron. It gets very hot and it's gold. It's bright. But anyway, I feel like the hair dye mainly just lightened up my roots and probably just brightened up the chocolate brown that I had. I just felt like my hair was starting to look a little dull and it needed a pick-me-up. So I'm not even mad that it's not like super blonde. I knew it wasn't gonna go super blonde because of the dye. So I'm done flat ironing it, which I've done in vain because my hair is naturally curly and it is raining outside, which means humidity, and this style is not gonna last. So there it goes. I'll put the light on it so you can see. Some places look a little lighter than others, but it's okay because it's all brown and honey color for the most. So little honey highlight here and there is not gonna affect this hair color.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love, 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 mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me.